Welcome to Watchlist, and today we're counting down the most rewatched Bollywood horror movies, the ones that didn't just scare us once, but have haunted our screens over and over again. Raz, the film that defined horror for early 2000s audiences. With Bipasha Basu's gripping performance and a haunting soundtrack, Raz gave mainstream Bollywood a proper ghost story with romance and tragedy. From foggy Ooty landscapes to dramatic possession scenes, it created a cinematic horror template that fans revisit for nostalgia and chills.
इसके पहले कि तू मेरी लाश को जलाकर मुझे इससे दूर करने की कोशिश करे, मैं तुझे ही लाश बना दूंगी।
Phoot. Set in a high-rise Mumbai apartment, this Ram Gopal Varma thriller uses silence and suspense to deliver maximum fear. Urmila Matondkar's unraveling mental state, eerie camera angles, and sound design make this a claustrophobic nightmare. The elevator scene alone is seared into every horror fan's memory. A horror comedy rooted in folklore. With strong performances and that now iconic phrase, O Stree, Kal Aana, the film cleverly blended laughs with legitimate scares. Rajkumar Rao's comic timing and Shraddha Kapoor's mysterious aura add to its rewatch value, not to mention the hidden clues sprinkled throughout.
को उठाती है और सिर्फ वस्त्र छोड़ती है तो पहले तुम्हें तुम्हारे नाम से पुकारेगी। तुम्हें क्या करना है? फौरन चप्पल निकालो, हाथ में लो और भागो।
Ektidayan, witches, illusions, and Indian myths make this a unique horror film. The story walks a fine line between psychological tension and supernatural dread. Konkona Sen Sharma delivers a deeply eerie performance that elevates every scene, and the build-up keeps you guessing until the end. 13B, a haunted TV show mimicking real life. Madhavan's terrifying encounters with the supernatural make you question everyday technology. Its slow-burning suspense, creepy plot structure, and unique concept ensure that viewers come back to catch details they may have missed.
ये क्या हुआ?
'Rat', a cult classic that's psychological and minimalist, Ram Gopal Varma's early masterpiece strips horror down to its basics: silence, shadows, and suggestion. The film still manages to unsettle without relying on flashy effects, making it a masterclass in pure fear.
ये क्या हो गया तुझे?
आपको शायद मालूम नहीं कि रश्मि को किस तरह मारा गया था। गर्दन पूरी तरह मुड़कर उसका सर उल्टा हो गया था। मैंने अपने 12 साल की सर्विस में ऐसा ब्रूटल मर्डर कभी नहीं देखा। जिसने भी ये किया है वो कोई आम आदमी नहीं है और आज वो सड़कों पर आजाद है।
Pari, a gothic, unsettling tale starring Anushka Sharma.
बाहर आई है उस पे।
The film explores trauma, dark rituals, and inner demons. Its unflinching portrayal of abuse and supernatural horror creates a grim fairy tale vibe, and every rewatch reveals new emotional layers beneath the gore.
बेचारी का कोई नहीं है माँ।
हमें इससे क्या? क्यों घुस रहा है सबके बीच पे?
कौन मारना चाहता है आपको?
वो आदमी।
क्यों मारना चाहता है?
नहीं पता।
1920, Victorian setting meets Indian horror tropes in this chilling possession drama. The visuals are lush and eerie, the performances intense, and the exorcism scenes are full of operatic tension. A staple for fans of classic-style horror, Talash, a supernatural mystery with an emotional punch. The ghost element is subtle, but the final reveal hits hard. Amir Khan's investigation, Rani Mukherjee's grief, and Kareena Kapoor's haunting presence make this more than just a horror film. It's a poignant ghost story.
एक एक्सीडेंट था सूरी.
वो एक्सीडेंट नहीं, लापरवाही थी मेरी.
पता नहीं क्या ढूंढ रहा हूँ. ऐसा लगता है सारे जवाब मेरे सामने हैं लेकिन मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहे.
An experimental horror anthology that still creeps people out late at night. Multiple mini-stories, each with a different scare or theme, give it major replay value. Some are funny, some bizarre, some haunting, but all are memorable.
मैंने किसी को देखा ना.
अरे कोई नहीं है, वो तुम्हारा डर है.
Funk, love it or meme it. This black magic story from RGV is often rewatched just for fun. Its over-the-top acting, chilling visuals, and campy thrills turned it into a cult classic, whether you're laughing or hiding behind your pillow.
कुछ तो बात है.
Here are a few honorable mentions you might also love. Raz 3. Not as iconic as the original, but Bipasha's intense performance and stylish horror still attract repeat viewers.
तुम वही करोगे जो मैं चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उसे बर्बाद करना चाहती हूँ.
Which Bollywood horror movie do you keep rewatching? Did we miss a terrifying gem? Tell us in the comments. For more cult classics, chills, and cinematic breakdowns, subscribe to Watchlist.